Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a brave little girl named Alina. She loved exploring new places, especially the old forest near her home. But there was one tree in that forest no one ever went near, the whispering tree. People said the tree could talk, not loud, but in soft whispers that tickled your ears and gave you chills. Alina didn't believe in such stories, until one foggy evening. As she was walking through the forest collecting pine cones, she heard a whisper. "Alina, come closer." She froze. Her heart raced. "Who's there?" she asked. "It's me, the tree." Alina took a step back, but curiosity pulled her closer. The tree was enormous, with twisted branches and a hollow trunk that looked like a mouth. The tree whispered again, "I've been waiting for a friend for many years." Alina was scared but didn't run. "Why me?" the tree said. "Because you listened." Suddenly the ground shook a little, and glowing eyes appeared in the trunk. But instead of being scary, the eyes looked sad. The tree explained. "Long ago, a kind spirit lived in this forest. When people stopped believing in forest magic, she turned into this tree. I can only speak to those with a brave and kind heart." Alina gently touched the bark. It was warm. "Can I help you?" she asked. "Yes," the tree said. "Promise to visit and believe in magic." From that day on, Alina visited the tree every weekend. The whispers became stories, the stories became laughter, and the laughter brought the forest back to life. And so, the whispering tree never felt lonely again.